Hi guys! Earlier this month, Sony has already made firmware update to allow Sony ZVE1 to shoot in 4K 120 fps. So in this video, I just want to show you some footages I took by the lake and also share with you the things worth paying attention to when you are shooting in 4K 120p. So in order to shoot 4K 120p, you can only choose these two formats on the top. If you select XAVC-SI 4K at the bottom, then the 120p will not be available. And if you want to know the difference among these file formats, feel free to check out the ZVE1 camera setup guide. The link is up there. Another thing you should know is that there are two ways to take 120p footages. You can use normal video mode or SNQ mode. In normal video mode, it is pretty straightforward. Just click 4K and frame rate, choose 120. And when you're in SNQ mode, you will have to choose record frame rate 24p and SNQ frame rate 120p. The difference between these two modes is that when you shoot in SNQ mode, no audio will be recorded. But the good thing is that you can view the footages immediately on the camera. And when you shoot 120p in normal video mode, the audio will be recorded, but you will have to wait until you put the SD card in the computer and change the frame rate in order to see the slow motion. When you view it on the camera, it looks just like normal speed video. But no matter which way you choose, you can record 4K 120p with 10-bit 422. When you shoot in 4K 120p, you will also notice that the active steady shot and dynamic active steady shot options are grayed out. So you can only rely on standard steady shot. Keep in mind that you cannot use catalyst browse in post-production to stabilize the footage because the 4K 120p footages do not have the driver data needed for stabilization. But I can assure you, stabilization won't be a problem because in this kind of super slow motion, everything looks very steady and smooth, even when you use a long focal length. Generally, your shutter speed should be double whatever the frame rate is. So if you are shooting at 120p, your shutter speed should be 1/250. This also means you might have to use a faster lens, especially when you are in a low light environment, because the shutter speed that high will not allow enough light to come in. Alright, I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment to let me know. And I would also like to know how you think about the quality of 4K 120p video taken with Sony ZVE1. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.